You've probably heard about banks before, but at Merrick Bank, we're a little less traditional. We don't have branches, tellers, or wear suits every day like you might expect. Since 1997, we've focused on helping people build credit by offering Visa credit cards. We proudly serve nearly 3 million cardholders and have extended over $5.3 billion in credit. While a large part of our business is credit cards, we also offer personal loans and financing for RVs, boats, and horse trailers. We also have deposit accounts, and we help merchants with sales transactions. Giving back is a big part of our organization, too. We've donated to more than 30 local and national charities this past year alone. In addition to being community-focused, the Merrick Bank team is fun, innovative, and loves the work we do. In fact, lots of different team members work together to get our credit cards into our customers' wallets. It's quite a journey. To begin, our credit cards are created by a marketing team, who also produces the ads people see in the mail, email, or online. Our ads direct people to a website and application built by web developers and engineers. Our IT security team makes sure the application information gets processed accurately and securely. The applications are then reviewed with predictive models put together by data scientists and are approved based on credit criteria created by risk and credit experts. The terms, conditions, and disclosures for every credit card are reviewed and approved by legal and compliance experts to make sure the bank is following the laws and regulations for credit cards. Our business analytics team manages our customer data. Our operations team will mail the credit cards to new customers, ensure they have the information they need to manage their account, and answer any questions. And of course, we have friendly customer service too. Throughout this journey, our project management team makes sure all projects are completed on time and in the best possible quality. And our administration team captains the ship to make sure everything is running safely and soundly. Behind the scenes, our human resources team hires our newest team members. And the finance team manages our funds and expenses to keep our balances in check. It takes a lot of teamwork to make this journey possible, but it sure is worth it. With so many positions on our team, there are opportunities for you now or down the road. So if any part of our credit card journey appeals to you, go to merrickbank.com/careers to check out our job opportunities.